In this video, we solve the second numerical of vertical plane surface submerged in a liquid, and as the plane surface in this numerical, one circular surface is given and the circular surface is put at vertical. Now first we understand the problem statements. Determines the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter. So in this diagram we see that this is a circular plate and the diameter of the circular plate is the 1.5 meter, and this is the free surface of the water level, which is placed vertically in a water in such a way that the center of the plate is 3 meter below the free surface of the water. Now we know that this is the center of circular plate, and from this free surface of the water, center is 3 meter below. So here by default h bar is given because for a circular plate the center point is also the CG points. Okay, so here this is the h or h bar is given directly, that is the 3 meters. We need to find out the position of center of pressure also. So here earlier it is mentioned find out the total pressure F, and second we need to find out the h star, that is the center of pressure. So first we mention the given data. So diameter of the plate is given D, it is 1.5 meter. Now we know that to find out the force area is required. So here we also find out the area. Now area of the circular plate is the pi by 4 into D square, and D is given 1.5 meters. So area of the circular plate is 1.767 meter square. Next parameter is given, this is the h bar, it is the 3 meter. We need to find out F and h star, means total pressure and center of pressure. So what is the equation of total pressure? Equation of the total pressure is rho g into A into H. Now here also the water is considered. So density is the 1000, G is 9.81, area we already calculate, that is 1.767, and the h bar is directly given. In a last numericals we need to find out this h bar because it is not directly given, but in this case the h bar is given, that is a 3 meter. So we putting this value h bar is equal to 3 and we find out the force in a Newton. So we need to multiply this 4 value and we are able to find out the force. So F is equal to 52002.81 Newton. So this is our answer of total pressure. Second, we need to find out the center of pressure H star. So what is equation of the H star? So equation is similar for all the vertical plates. Okay, so here the equation H star is equal to Ig divided by area into h bar plus h bar. Now here the area we already find out, h bar is given, we need to calculate the Ig. Now what is the Ig? Ig is the moment of inertia. Okay, and here the surface is circular. For a circular surface, equation of the Ig is pi into d raised to 4 divided by 64. In last numericals we take the surface is rectangular. For the rectangular surface, equation of Ig is b into d cube divided by 12. In the next numericals we solve the numerical for a triangular shape of the surface. So in that video we study what is the equations of the triangle, that is the equation of Ig for triangles. So here we find out this value of Ig. This is a pi, means it is 3.14. D is given 1.5, so 1.5 raised to 4 divided by 64. So we get the answer of the Ig is 0.2485 meter raised to 4. Now we putting this value of the Ig in equation of the center of pressures. We also put this value of A and the h bar and we get the find out the answer of the h star or center of pressures. So first part is the Ig. So Ig is 0.2485 divided by area. A is 1.767 into h bar, it is a 3, that is given in a numericals, plus h bar, it is 3. So this part is the 0.0468 and is plus 3. So we are able to find out the h star, it is 3.0463 meters. So here we see this h bar is 3 meters. So P point means center of pressure point is always below to the center of gravity point for a vertical plane surface. So here we find out the F and H star for this given case. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to FMHM and other subject of these mechanical engineerings. For FMHM subject, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in car. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist and don't forget to share with your friends.